In this tutorial video, I will demonstrate how to generate an AI generated video. I put 4 steps here. I use 4 websites: ChatGPT, Leonardo.ai, Myvocal.ai, and Studio.d, that's id.com. So ChatGPT to generate your text, Leonardo to generate your image, Myvocal to generate your voice, then use this website to create your video. So we'll start by creating your own text. So I'll open the chat.openai.com. You need to register your here. You need to have an email. So you type your prompt here, your questions. So I already created one for me. Where is that? Okay, so I'll create this one, copy, then paste it here. So my question is, can you create a speech of 200 words message that I will deliver to my student to continue their dreams? So click next. So yeah, I will generate a text for me. Since this is only a demo, I click stop generating. I only use the 2 paragraph. Copy that, and then maybe create a new text. I remove the today here. You can read the content and make sure you're satisfied, because sometimes AI is not reliable on the correct message that you want. So assuming that this is okay for you, copy it. Then maybe if you like to ask AI to convert it to another language, like for example, please convert this text to Tagalog. Okay, I'll paste it. You can use Ilocano or Bisaya or any language, or Chinese or Japanese. You can ask ChatGPT to do it for you. Click the next. Okay, so this is the final message. I'll copy this one until here. This is the final message. You paste it here. This is what we need. Okay, you can review also and make it sure it's correct the way you deliver your speech. So the next one is uh, use Leonardo.ai to create your own image. The next step is to use Leonardo.ai. You can go to this website, log in, create your own account. You need an email here to register. Then making sure you have some stock image or pictures. So you go to training and dataset, then create a new dataset, upload at least 3 images of yours, the more the better. Then click the train model. So it will generate a model for your image. So if you are going to create an image of your model, click the image generator. There is my dataset here. There are a lot of options, but you have to use your dataset. Then this is where you need to put your prompt. You should have a long descriptions of what you need to make it a little bit accurate. So a handsome smiling man wearing a cap, like like farmer, with a background sandwich and a soft glowing, with like a farmer. Okay, maybe you can add more. Then generate. So after generating, so you will notice it generated uh, full image. I, I don't like the image, but anyway, it's only a sample, so I will use this one. Download it. The next step is to create a data set of your voice using Myvocal. So you go to this website, myvocal.ai. You need to log in using your email account by registering it. So first is you need to train your voice by reading all these texts. There are 25 samples here. You have to read them all. And after reading them, you can synchronize to one of these singers so that your voice will be synced to any of these rapper. Then you put the text that will be trained from your voice. So I already did that. So what will I do is I will create, then let's see my speech. to student, then you'll copy the text that, yeah, this is the Tagalog words that we translated in ChatGPT. Paste it here. Where is it? My Tagalog speech. And submit. Download this video. I will download it. Yeah.
Narito
Okay.
ako
So
sa
this is
inyong
how it
harapan na
play.
puno ang malalim na pagmamalaki at paghanga para.
Now there are other website that you can convert text to audio, because this one is only limited to 500 letters. So an example of this is 11 Labs. But here you can add also your video here, but it says you're auto generated. You can auto generate also your video here, and it is longer capacity. You can add until 2500. But for me, I'm using this Myvocal AI. Okay, so after the audio was created, we'll go to the next step is we'll go to synchronize the audio that we created and the image. The video that, or the website that I'm using is this one. Create a video, you add the image. Oh, I need to log in first. Okay, create a video, add the image. So where is my project? Okay, this is my image. Then upload the audio. Um, okay, this one. Then click generate. Then generate. Okay, and if you play it,
Narito ako
it's
sa
like
inyong
this.
harapan na puno ang malalim na
You
pagmamalaki
can
at
now
paghanga
download
para sa
if you're
bawat
done.
isa sa inyo. Bilang inyong guro, tungkulin ko na gabayan at inspirasyonan kayo, pero gayon, nice.
This is example of the output that this tutorial produced. Thank you for watching.